Good morning, children. This is Raj Gajendra Pillai, Kanna Kingdom. So now we will be learning about general knowledge. General knowledge, the topic is opposites. We have already done a good session of part 1. We have learned about opposites. Now we are going to learn about what? We are going to learn about opposites. More of opposites which were left for part 2. This is part 2. So I would request you to take out your notebooks in which you have written about part 1, so that you can continue writing it as in part 2 after that chapter which we have done as part 1. Now let's look into the screens for part 2, opposites. Let's start with right, wrong. Okay? Be ready with your notebook, pencils, pen, rubber. Yes, give you 5 seconds. Please write this down as part 2. Take out your notebook. Yes, give you 5 seconds. Now look at the screens. 10 plus 10 equals to 20. Is it correct? 10 plus 10 is 20. Yes, it is right. When you say 10 plus 10 equals to 20 is the right answer. Now look at the right one on the yellow. 10 plus 10 equals to 7. Is that correct? No, that is wrong. So the answer 10 plus 10, 20. 10 plus 10 equals to 20 is the right answer. 10 plus 10 equals to 7 is the wrong answer. Right, wrong. Right, wrong. Opposite of right is what? Wrong. Opposite of wrong is what? Right. Please write it down. So now, opposite of right. You can see the arrow mark on the right, going on the right. It is shown as right. Arrow showing on the right side. And the arrow which is showing on this side is called as left. Right, left. This is called as right. This is called as left. When we talk about the sign marks, you can see an arrow pointing towards this, pointing towards right side is right, pointing towards left side is going to the left. So opposite of right is what? Opposite of right is left. Opposite of right is what? Left. Opposite of left is what? Right. Right? So please write it down. Right, left. There we saw answer was right, wrong. At that place it came wrong. Opposite of right was wrong. Here if you see at the sign marks where it's right sign or the sign is arrow is a sign of left, then you write left, right, left, right, wrong. These are the two of the opposites of right. Right, left, right, wrong. Okay, please write it down. Now look at the opposites. Thick. What is thick? You can see the thick thing here. Yes. Thin. What is thin? Thinness. The books are when you take a book, it is thin. When you take a book and see, it's thin. And when you see something thick, a book which is very thick, see that was so slim and this is thick. You can understand thick and slim. Thick means the broader things, Thin means the smaller things. Thin, thick, thin, thick, thin. Please write it down. Opposite of thin is thick and thick is thin. Opposite of fresh. This is a freshly made thing. And this is what? This is the bread slices have been brought and kept for more days. It became what? Stale. All the things which are freshly made is called as fresh. All the things which I have brought and kept for days becomes stale. So now fresh and stale. When you talk about fresh, stale. Fresh is the newly baked thing. This is a newly baked thing now. And this slice of breads have been brought and kept for days, it became stale. So opposite of stale is fresh and fresh is a stale. Please write it down. Now look at the screens. Give. He is giving something. Something is being giving. With the two hands is giving. Give means give. If I am giving something to you, with my two hands I will give it. Take means take it on your own. When you want something, you will say go and take. Take means you have to go and take it by yourself. Take. She is putting hand and taking something. Means she has been asked to take by herself. Give, take. Opposite of give is take and take is give. Give, take. Take, give. Please write the opposites. Give, take, give. Now look at the opposites. Forward and backward. In the music systems, in your audio systems and other systems, what do you see? You see the button marks where there is two arrows, that is for forward. One single arrow is for play. And when you go backward, when you want to go back again to the previous screen, there is a mark where arrow is there and a line is mentioned along with the backside arrow. That is called as an backward. Means backwards towards the position from where we started. Forward means something which we are playing and we are doing it forward to look something which is ahead, which has gone. Right? The thing which has in the next clip, the thing which is going to be seen after some time. If you want to reach there fast, you have to forward it. Right? In a record, if you listen a song and first line is there and you want to listen something in the last one, so what you do, you need to forward it. So the opposite of forward is backward. If it goes little more than where you want to listen, what you have to do, you have to press the backward button again to come to the point where you want to listen. So now opposite of forward is backward. Opposite of backward is forward. Please write it down. Now look at the opposites. A sweet, sour, bitter. Opposite of sweet. Sweet, you know what is sweet? Sugar is sweet. Chocolates are sweet. What else is? All the eatables of the chocolate or sugar. Anything which contains sugar is sweet. So opposite of sweet is what? Sweet is bitter or sour. Sweet and sour. When you talk about sweet, sour. Sour means if you squeeze an lemon or orange, the juice which comes from the orange is not sweet. You have to add sugar to make it sweet. It is sour in taste. The neem leaves, right? Bitter gourd. When you look at this, they are bitter. Neem leaves are bitter. When you talk about bitter, opposite of sweet is sour, bitter. What are the things which are bitter? The bitter things are neem, bitter gourd. You know what is bitter gourd? It is a vegetable which is very much bitter. Right? Please write this down. Opposite of sour, bitter is sweet. Opposite of sweet is sour, bitter. Please write. You can see the trolley. Where is this trolley found? This trolley is found in big marts where you go to purchase. Right? A Mart, D Mart. You go to Big Bazaar and other big places where you go, where there is several departments. You need to carry your trolley. When you purchase something, you put it in it so that you can pull the trolley all over the store. Wherever you want to go, pick something which you like, Whatever you want, you put it in the trolley, then take it to the cash counter and empty it. They pack it for you. So the process of buying, buy. Selling, what is selling? See what he is doing. He is selling the best bananas for 25 paisa. That's what it is written. Right? He is selling. And in the cart he has gone to buy something. So when we buy something from the store, it is called as buying. When we, opposite of buying is selling. Means you can see this guy is selling something. Instead of these bananas, there could be other guy selling something else. So selling is different. Selling is somebody who is selling something for money. Buying is paying something for buying it. Buy, sell. Please write this down. Opposite of buy is selling. Sell. Opposite of sell is what? Buy. Please write this down. Now you can see the opposite, difficult. Difficult means she is trying to learn something, but she is finding it very difficult to understand. So she has put her hands on the head. She is tensed because it is difficult. What is easy? Easy is opposite of difficult. Where 7 plus dash equals to 10. How do you find out the answer? 10 to reach 10 after 7. How do you count? 7, 8, 9, 10. How much is this? 3. 7 plus 3 is 10. It's very easy. Just you do what? 7 plus dash equals to 10. 7, you start counting from 7. 8, 9, 10. You have reached 10. How much is less? 3. 7 plus 3 is 10. So the answer is 3. So this was an easy question. Right? Was it easy? Yes. Difficult. Opposite of difficult is easy. Opposite of easy is what? Difficult. Please write it down. Now you can see the opposites. Night. Opposite of night. What is opposite of night? Day. Whenever the day comes, it ends. What comes at that time? Night comes. Whenever night is there, after sleeping we get up. What does it become? It becomes day. So opposite of night is day. Opposite of day is what? Night. Yes, please write it down. Now look at the opposite. You can see what? Wide road. The road is wide, right? And opposite of wide is what? Narrow. Between the two buildings, there is a small narrow passage. You can see. It's a narrow passage. This is wide. Opposite of wide is what? Opposite of wide is narrow. Opposite of narrow is what? Wide. Wide, narrow. Understood? What is the opposite of wide? Opposite of wide is narrow. Opposite of narrow is what? Wide. Please write it down. Look at the opposites. First. He has been awarded for reaching first in athlete, in running maybe. So he has come first. So he is enjoying. The other guy is crying because he has come last. So opposite of first is last. Opposite of last is what? First. First is the achiever. Last is what? Last one has achieved, but he has achieved it at the last. So it doesn't deserve any award. So he is feeling sad and crying. First, last. Opposite of first is last. Opposite of last is first. Please write it down. Here, deep. Deep under the water. Deep under the water. Deep. D-E-E-P. Deep. That's deep. He is reached to the bottom of the sea with oxygen cylinders. He has dived inside the sea. This shallow. Shallow means very less water in which you can walk. It is not up to the knee level also. So the water is called as shallow. Deep and shallow. Deep means entirely inside. Shallow means on the top. A little leveled water walking on the top is called shallow water. Right? Deep, shallow. The opposite of shallow is deep, opposite of deep is shallow. Please write it down. Write the spellings, everything perfectly. Please write it fast. Now, look at the opposites. Exit, entrance. When you talk about exit, what is exit? An exit is a place from where you go out of mall, theaters. There is always the way from where you go out. That is called as an exit. Right? Exit, E-X-I-T, exit. And opposite of exit is what? Opposite of exit is entrance. Whenever you see the main gate of a bungalow or a building, entrance. There is a gate at the entrance. Entrance, exit. When you talk about exit, opposite of exit is what? Entrance. Opposite of entrance is what? Opposite of entrance is exit. Please write it down. Now look at the opposites. Switch on. There is a board where the boy is trying to switch on. He has switched on for the light. On. And yes, it is shown dark on the right side where he has switched off the light. Switch on, switch off. Opposite of on is off, opposite of off is on. Switch on, switch off, switch off, switch on. On, off, off, on. Opposite of on is off, opposite of off is on. Please write it down. Look at the screens. Both the brother and sister has opened a book which is very much interesting. Both are looking with the interest in the book. Look at the second, opposite of interesting. What it is shown? It's shown as boring. He is looking into the computers and he is feeling bored. Right? So now opposite of interesting is what? Boring. What is the opposite of boring? Boring is interesting. So please write it down. Interesting opposite is boring. Boring's opposite is interesting. Now look at the screens. Young. It's a very young kid. And you can see opposite of young is old. You can see an old lady with all wrinkles on the face. Opposite of young is old. Opposite of old is young. Please write it down. Opposite of young is old. Old is young. Please write it down. Now look at the screens. Rich. Rich is what? She is wearing a necklace of pearls. Right? It's very costly. It's costlier than gold. It's costlier than anything in the world. Diamonds and pearls, these are the costliest things. Then comes platinum. Right? So the rich, how can you identify a rich? Rich according to their clothes, their way of living and the ornaments which they wear. From that you can make out they are rich. What is the opposite of rich? Rich is poor. Poor means those who don't have their own house as well and they are suffering for one-time meal also. They are poor. They don't have their own house. They are very poor. In other sense, you want to say that they don't have house, they don't have food, they don't have shelter to stay. Such people are called as poor people, those who stay on the roads. Right? Please write this down. Opposite of rich is poor. Opposite of poor is rich. Now look at the screens. Sunny. Sunny means the sun has come out and the entire day it's shining bright. It's called as a shiny. What are clouds? When the sun cannot be seen, the clouds form it and make the entire thing dark. When the cloud comes in between the sun and the earth, it acts like a curtain. That clouds form, acts as a curtain. The entire brightness of the sun is gone. You feel dark everywhere. You can see that brightness is gone and it becomes dull. The climate becomes very, very much dull. So it's called as a cloudy weather. Yeah, it's called as in cloudy weather. Sunny, S-U-N-N-Y, sunny. Opposite of sunny is cloudy. Opposite of cloudy, C-L-O-U-D-Y, is sunny. Please write it down. Opposite of sunny is cloudy. Opposite of cloudy is what? Sunny. Please write it down. Yeah, you can see the opposites. Light, L-I-G-H-T, light. Light means the feather. Feather of the bird is very much light. But you can see that the bodybuilders using the dumbbells to do exercise are heavy. So the opposite of light is heavy. Opposite of heavy is light. Right? The feathers are light. But the things made of stainless steel or iron or casting iron are supposed to be heavy. So opposite of heavy is light. Opposite of light is heavy. Please write it down. Now you can see two dogs here. One is fat. Opposite of fat is what? You can see the other dog which is thin. Now you understand the difference between fat and thin. Right? So now opposite of fat is thin. And opposite of thin is what? Opposite of thin is fat. Please write it down. F-A-T, fat. The dog is really very fat. And this dog is really very thin. So opposite of fat is thin. Opposite of thin is again fat. Now you can see the snail. It carries its home at its back. A snail. Have you seen snail? Yes. If you have not seen, see in the screen. It has a shell on the top. If you touch the snail from any place, it takes its entire body into the shell. It carries its home on its back. The snails are very much slow. The snails walk slow. And you look at the other side, where this is a cheetah, which is the fastest of all the animals in the jungle. It is supposed to run around 130 or 140 kilometers per hour. See how it jumps. When it jumps, it crosses almost the height of its, the length of its. Its leg jumps like a spring, right? So this is the fastest in the jungle. Please write it down. Slow, fast. Slow, fast. Please write it down. Opposite of fast is slow and slow is fast. You can see the guy is pushing the cupboard. Pushing. What is the opposite of pushing? Pushing outside the body. Pulling means inside the body. Push means something which goes away from our body. Pushing. Pulling means something towards us is called as an pulling. So now opposite of push is pull. And opposite of pull is push. Pull towards. Push outwards. Inwards, outwards. Pulling means inwards. Pushing means outwards. Please write this down. Opposite of push is pull and opposite of pull is push. Please write it. Now look at the screens. Opposites. You can see the white lion. Lions are not supposed to be white, but there are some species in this lion which is white in color. White lion. Opposite of white is what? Black. You can see, you can identify that this is a black tie, right, which you wear in the neck. Here this is white lion. Description is white. We are looking into the description of white. Look at the black, B-L-A-C-K, black. Black is the description of black. So white's opposite is black, black's opposite is white. Please write it down. Now see on the screens, opposites. Light. You can see a bulb is lit, L-I-T, L-I-G-H-T, L-I-G-H-T, light. He has lit an bulb. What does it give? It gives light. Now on the other side you can see dark. What is dark? The room is entirely black without light. When there is no light, opposite of light is dark. So you can see the entire room is dark. Light, dark. Opposite of light is dark, opposite of dark is light. Please write it down. Now we are going, next is for exercise to do. Yes, please write this down first. You can see, match the opposites. Yes, there are opposites given. On the one side it's written which you have to match on the other, which you have to match on the other side with opposites. Happy, sad, old, young, dry, wet, hot, cold, day, night, right, left, bad, good, light, heavy. Yes, the thing is very light to pick up, but this is very heavy to be moved, right? Heavy. How do you define heavy? Light, heavy. Light means a thing which can be easily picked up. Heavy things cannot be easily picked up, right? So light, opposite of light is what? Heavy. Opposite of heavy is what? Light. Please write this down. Happy learning. You have learned about the opposites, right? You have written it as well. Memorize it. Learn the hard, tough spellings in it which I have told you. So now, thank you.